What's that?
It's a bicycle!
It's a bicycle.
Look!
Yeah. What's that? Show me one.
Look.
What's that one?
That one's a camera.
It's a speed camera.
Speed camera. This one.
What's that one?
Dragon.
Oh, it's a knight. He's a knight. He slays dragons, doesn't he?
Yeah.
And what's that one?
That one's a bike.
It's a bike. Do you want to open them?
Yeah.
Go on in. You open them.
Stuck.
That's gonna help.
We need scissors.
We need scissors, do we? I don't think so. I think I can open it. Even one-handed might be a bit tough. Say thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa.
Say see you in September, Lisa.
See you in September, Lisa.
There you go. It's open now.
Wow!
Look at that.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's the hole?
I'm gonna stop recording now, okay? So say bye-bye, Lisa.
Bye-bye, Lisa.
You gotta look at the camera over here.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye, Lisa.
Bye-bye, Lisa.
See you soon.
See you.